According to the Reserve Bank, the payment system landscape in South Africa is experiencing significant changes. This is because people are always exploring cheaper and safer means of transacting. However, cash still plays a huge role in the country. The South African Reserve Bank says it found that decision to pay in cash will depend on the services offered at the time.
Cash is cheaper. Every time you make a debit card payment, although you as the consumer doesn't pay, the little spaza shop would want to charge a bit more because there's a little fee in it. So I think that if people have better options, cheaper options in using electronic payments through what we call quick response or QR codes, that may change the landscape. And we do think the landscape will change. We think that in the future there'll probably be more debit card penetration, and I do think that a lot of the decision that a consumer makes about whether they're going to use cash or electronic money will depend on what services are offered to them.
The 2023 Payment Survey, which aims to monitor the payment system landscape in the country, also found that high-income earners are more prone to using electronic payments compared to the low-income earners.
High-income groups basically use, so a large part of their consumption use electronic payments, ETFs, EFTs, electronic banking, and credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay. So that is growing at considerable rates at the high income level. At the lower income level, what is fascinating is the extent to which debit cards are penetrating the market. So even low income groups are very, very keen on using electronic forms of payment. So debit cards are growing. Hopefully in the future there'll be better options using their phones, mobile payments and those kind of things.
The South African Reserve Bank says that debit card payments are on the rise in all income groups. However, consumers still need to be educated on the different payment methods offered in the country. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.